Assalamu alaikum dear students, how are you? I hope that all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am fine too. Welcome you all to NIVS Homeschool. This is Mahmudur Rahman, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School. Today I am going to take an English class for the students of class 5. Our today's topic is Unit-23, Lesson 2 and 3. Okay dear students, let's see the board at first. This is the class for the students of class 5, subject English, topic Unit 23, lesson 2 and 3, lecture number 6, and this is your homework number 4, and your homework will be exercise D. This is your annual term, and teacher Mahmudur Rahman, and this is my phone number 0735 852285. Okay dear students, let's start. Unit number 23, lesson 2 and 3. The name of this unit is Stay Safe. We will read a conversation between two students named Anita and Asad and an officer of fire service and civil defense. Anita: officer, we heard about the earthquake in Nepal. It was terrible. Asad: yes, I am very sad about it. Anita: I am afraid there are many disasters in the world. Last month, we lost some of our land because of river erosion, and last year, a cyclone destroyed many buildings and trees. What's next? Now the officer answers, well, the TV news can tell us about cyclones, and we can often see signs of river erosion. So far, no one knows when an earthquake will happen. Asad: what can we do? Officer: you shouldn't worry too much. We can prepare for natural disasters. Here is a leaflet. So these are the conversations between Anita, Asad and the officer, and we have learned about three natural disasters. At first, earthquake in Nepal, then cyclone and river erosion. And there are 5 questions regarding this conversation or this lesson. We will now read the questions and then we will answer them. Question number 1, where was the earthquake Anita talked about? Number 2, when did Anita's family lose some land? Number 3, why did her family lose some land? Number 4, what destroyed many buildings and trees last year? And number 5, which natural disaster can the TV news tell us about? Okay, now we will answer them one by one. The first question is, where was the earthquake Anita talked about? The answer, the earthquake Anita talked about was in Nepal. We can find it at the very beginning of the lesson. Number 2, when did Anita's family lose some land? The answer is, Anita's family lost some land last month. Question number 3, why did her family lose some land? Answer is, her family lost some land because of river erosion. Dear students, look here. When we ask a question with did, in the question the verb will be in present tense, but while we will answer, we will write down the verb in past tense. Okay. The same case is happened in the question number 2. You can see here lose, and in the answer lost, because we asked the question with did. Question number 4, what destroyed many buildings and trees last year? Very easy. From the conversation I can get the information that last year many buildings and trees were destroyed because of cyclone. And the final question is, which natural disaster can the TV news tell us about? The answer is, the TV news can tell us about cyclone. So these are the 5 questions and their answers. The students, your homework will be this question answers. HW will be exercise number D. Okay, these question answers will be your homework. Okay, my dear students, I hope that you have well understood today's lesson, and for your better information, and understanding. Read the text again and again. Submit your homework and attend the online classes regularly. See you in the next class. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.